If your triglycerides are high, I want you to hear me clearly. This is one of the fastest labs you can improve. If you stop eating the macro ratio that keeps triglycerides elevated. And no, this isn't about just eat less fat. This is about eating the right macro ratio so your body stops turning food into triglycerides in the first place. Triglycerides are basically fat particles in your blood. And high triglycerides are often a sign that your body is struggling to handle energy, especially from carbs and sugar. So if your triglycerides are high, it's usually not because you ate a steak. It's usually because your diet is sending your liver too much glucose, and your liver turns that extra fuel into triglycerides. Here's the macro ratio that helps triglycerides drop the fastest for most people. Lower carbs, prioritize protein, and add fat to satiety. That's the order. Not eat fat all day, not eat tiny protein and live on keto snacks, and definitely not high carb, low fat. Because here's the key, when carbs stay high, especially refined carbs, your body has to shuttle that excess energy somewhere. And one of the main places it goes is into triglycerides. So the macro ratio I want you aiming for looks like this: protein moderate to high, carbs low, and fat adjusted based on your goals. So let me make it simple. Protein anchors your metabolism. Carbs drive triglycerides up when they're too high, and fat is the dial you adjust once those two are set. And when I say protein first, I mean real protein, like chicken thighs with skin, salmon, 80-20 ground beef, or steak with fat, because fat with protein keeps you full, stable, and makes low carb sustainable. So what do you do in real life? Here's a simple triglyceride lowering plate you can start with today. Pick a protein: steak, ground beef, chicken thighs, salmon, or eggs. Add a low-carb veggie if you tolerate them: salad, broccoli, asparagus. Add fat if needed: butter, olive oil, avocado, tallow, coconut oil. And if you're carnivore, it's even easier: meat, eggs, seafood, enough fat to feel good, but not so much that you're forcing it. If you're having breakthrough hunger through meals, you can add a little more fat. Now here's the part most people miss. If you're eating low carb, but you're still doing keto wraps, keto bars, low carb ice cream, and sugar alcohols every day, your blood sugar may look better, but your triglycerides can still stay stubborn. Because it's not only about sugar, it's about how much energy your liver has to process. So if you want triglycerides to drop fast, lower the carbs, hit your protein goals, and use fat as a tool, not a hobby. And if you want more help understanding your numbers, what they mean, and what to ask your doctor for, check the description. I'll put helpful resources and videos down there. All right, Macro Monday, done. Now go eat a meal your triglycerides will thank you for.